Hey, it's Les Perrier, and this is a Southern gospel song. It's called There Is a River. There is a river that flows from deep within. There is a fountain that frees the soul from sin. Come to this water. There is a vast supply. There is a river that never shall run dry. And there was a thirsty woman who was drawing from a well. Her life was ruined and wasted, and her soul was bound for hell. Then she met the Master, who told of her great sin. And if you drink this water, you'll never thirst again. There is a river that flows from God above. There is a fountain that's filled with His great love. Come to this water. There is a vast supply. There is a river that never shall run dry.